your Hello Great People African Traveler again, and today I'm going to sit and have an interview on behalf of Electric Drive Africa. Hope you guys will enjoy. So guys, Solar Taxi, one of the main goal to achieve is to have gender balance. So that's why I'm having Belinda here.
Hi, my name is Belinda. I'm one of the engineers here at Solar Taxi.
Oh, okay.
So you're welcome to the ARC.
Thank you.
And here in the ARC, this is where we do our assembly line. And in the assembly line, we have 4 main sections.
Yeah.
We have the chassis section, we have the electrical section, we also have the accessory section and the cover installation.
Wow.
So in the chassis section,
So this is the chassis. You guys say chassis?
yes.
We call it chassis. But still,
Okay,
still the
so
same.
in the chassis section, that's where we put all the metal frames.
So all the motorbikes are assembled here.
Yes, we assemble everything here from scratch. That's when we put all the metallic parts together. That's one part of the chassis
Chassis
section.
section.
Then when you come to the electrical, for the electrical section and the accessory section,
Yeah.
we work together because you can't just fix in the accessories without going hand in hand with the electrical. So when you come to the accessory section, that's when you have the headlights, the DC to DC. You have the main cable. The main cable where all the lines are coming. Some are going to the dashboard, some are going to the tail lights here. We have some going to the headlight as well, and some are coming to the ignition key. For the electrical section, we have the battery.
The battery.
Yes, this is a lithium battery. We have 2 batteries connected in parallel, and we also have an ESC controller where the lines are being connected to power the battery. And the last but not the least is the cover installation. The cover installation tells with the delivery box.
Oh, the delivery box.
Yeah, the delivery box. All the plastic covers that you see here is part of the cover installation.
Cover installation.
Yes, and this is add beautification to the bike.
Wow.
Yes,
So with this, you just the bike is completely.
Yes, it's
cool.
completely assembled here. So after everything, we do a no load test and load test to make sure that the bike is stable for operation before we give it out to our client.
To our client.
Yes, please.
How long does it take when you start the first the chassis until the end? How long does it take for one bike to be complete?
For one bike to be
Yes.
complete, I'll say probably like within 10 to 15 minutes we are done assembling one bike.
Wow.
So within a day we assemble like 5 to 6 bikes. Yes.
5 to 6 bikes
Yes,
in a
5
day.
to 6 bikes in a day.
Wow. Wow. It's amazing. Thank you. So do you also train people to drive?
Yes, we have.
You can drive a
riders.
motorbike?
Not really, not really.
I wanted you to teach me. So thank you so much, Belinda. I really appreciate it. You guys, waiting for you to see you guys in my country. I come from Kenya.
Kenya. Oh,
Yeah.
I would love to be there.
Thank you. What do you know about Kenya?
Where?
What do you know about Kenya?
What do I know about
Yeah.
Kenya? I know it's a very beautiful place with the people are nice to us well.
Yeah.
And I just want to be there. I just want to see what they are saying about the place, and I want to feel how the place is like.
Yeah.
Yes.
Welcome. You love it. Trust me, you love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
It's really good to see firms empowering women, especially in the areas of science and engineering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our video, to share, and to subscribe. We're enjoying covering Ghana in our first ever series in West Africa. Please support us by buying our merch in the link below and sharing our video so we can continue to tell the African story through the electric mobility transition.